Some days feel heavier than others, not loud, not dramatic, just quiet. And on days like this, I don't crave noise. I crave warmth. I crave comfort. So, welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today I'm making broccoli soup. A simple vegetable, often ignored, often underestimated, but broccoli has a story too. Fresh, green, and full of goodness. Sometimes the simplest ingredient creates the most comforting meal. I start by cutting the broccoli into florets. No rush, just letting the rhythm of the knife set the pace of the day. Cooking isn't just food, it's therapy, a quiet conversation with yourself. As the garlic is nicely sautéed in the butter and oil, the aroma slowly fills the kitchen. Just enough to wake everything up. This is where comfort begins, not in the bowl, but in the air. Saute the garlic till it's nice and fragrant. Now I add one medium-sized onion, which is chopped. Saute the onion till it's nice and tender. Once the onion is nice and tender, in goes the broccoli, bright, vibrant, alive. Along with that, 1.5 cup of water, and 10 almonds which are blanched, and let the time do its magic, because good things don't need to be forced. As it cooks, the broccoli softens, the color deepens. This is transformation, raw to tender, simple to soulful. Once everything is cooked, I blend it smooth until it turns into this beautiful green velvet. Never gets old. This is my favorite moment, where patience becomes reward. Back on the heat, adjust for consistency by adding water. Check for seasoning. Add salt, black pepper, and some mixed herbs. Stir and bring it to a gentle boil. Slowly pour into the bowl, steaming, inviting. Garnish with some garlic croutons, charred broccoli florets, some cream, and a drizzle of olive oil. This broccoli soup isn't trying to impress. It's here to heal, to slow you down, to remind you that comfort can be simple if you enjoy this moment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Reel to Meal, where comfort meets the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.